Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover emphatic or emphasizing pronouns. There is a separate playlist of pronouns in English language on my channel, the link of which will be available right in the description box. Now without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. Emphatic or emphasizing pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are reflexive pronouns. Of course, emphatic pronouns are reflexive pronouns that adjoin, means that comes together with the subject. That is, subject could be either be noun or a pronoun. And what do? They lay emphasis on the pronoun or the noun that is just coming before them. Now, what is the difference between reflexive pronouns or emphatic pronouns? So, reflexive pronouns are objective pronouns. They come at the position of object in the sentences, but emphatic pronouns comes right after the antecedents. Coming right after the antecedent, what does that mean? It means that they just come right after the noun or the pronoun, and the main task is that they lay emphasis of the antecedent that they are describing. They lay emphasis on the nouns or the pronouns that they will be describing in a particular sentence mentioned whatsoever. Have a look at this example here. The secretary himself is supervising all the arrangements. The secretary himself is supervising all the arrangements. So, in this particular sentence, the antecedents, that is the noun or the pronoun, is the secretary, right? And the emphatic or emphasizing pronoun himself is coming right after the antecedent, that is the secretary. So, therefore, they are used because they lay a special emphasis on the noun or the pronoun that they are mentioning. On the other hand, what a reflexive pronoun does, it comes as an object in the sentence. Have a look at these two set of examples here. The first one is, myself have never been to Australia, which is a wrong one, and I'll tell you why in a while. The next sentence is, I myself have never been to Australia. So basically, an emphatic or emphasizing pronoun always appears in the combination with a noun or another pronoun. It can't stand on its own as a subject or as a object. So therefore, the second one is correct because it is placed right after the antecedent, that is the pronoun that it is describing. So therefore, it is placed right after the antecedent I. So therefore, emphatic pronouns are the forms of reflexives that functions as emphasizers to lay emphasis on the antecedent mentioned in the respective sentence structure. This section brings an end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Please recommend to your friends or family. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box. Until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing.